Okay. Today topic energy. Before yesterday already I taken this topic. Some people's not attending. Today also I will take this topic. Okay. Energy. Main energy means to whenever you taking food, no, that time food process getting to the energy to the body. That is a main energy. Energy you can see here pictures, 8 pictures. Means whoever have the more energy, that energy people's na, that energy people do this some exercises, work, driving, then pulling and bicycle, jogging, like running. This and all have the activities of the each person. Why having of the that activities means that people have the more energy. That's why whenever doing up this like that activities, that time main energy important. And definition of energy. See, energy is defined as the capacity of a physical system to perform work. Energy means defining of the capacity of physical. Capacity means like mere infinity power, like the capacity of a physical system to perform work. Whoever have the more capacity of the physical system, the people immediately to perform to the work. Why they're performing in the work means because of they have the more energy. That's why they have the capacity of perform to the any work. And however, it's important to keep in mind that just because energy exists, whatever important means any important work, important points, any members, total the keeping in the mind. Because of why they're keeping up the mind means just because of energy exists. Means full energy having up in the particular body and the brain also. That's why they will remembering up the total in the mind only. And that does not mean it's necessarily available to do work. Means sometimes not available of the energy to do work time. Because of why means to doing continue work means that type energy also have, but energy will last of the whenever doing continue work in a long time, that time sometimes energy will last. That's why this energy not does not mean necessarily available to do work. That's why main that time also immediate power important. In immediate power is there means automatic you can do the work, and energy also important to the in doing work time. That is a definition of energy. Here units of energy. See, units of energy means in energy what main components have, like a joules, calories, kilocalories, and this and all have to then the energy. Because of why means whenever taking up the any food and calories food means that time your body will get the more energy. Now we'll discuss here units of energy. Calorie is the amount of energy needed to rise 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. May what man? Okay. You speaking with me?
Yes, ma'am. Can't hear properly.
I think you have network problem. Nobody audible my voice?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
Okay.
Yes, I'm audible.
Okay. Okay. Units of energy. See, units of energy means calorie is the amount of energy needed to rise 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Means this calories giving up the amount of energy, more energy giving to the this calories to the body. How means that amount of energy needed rise on the 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Whenever you're drinking of water, in that water have the calories levels in the water. That time also energy will get to the at least into the body. Main here kilocalories energy needed to rise 1000 gram of water 1 degree centigrade. That kilocalories only you can amount of energy you can rise in the 1 gram of water. That is a calories. Here kilocalories na this kilocalories energy may needed to the rise the 1000 gram of water 1 degree centigrade. Because of kilocalories more energy will give to the body. That's why that energy needed to then the rise 1000 gram of water of 1 degree centigrade. And food calories, kilocalories. Whenever you taking up the food means in that food have the calories. Whenever taking up the food calories, that time automatic your body will get the kilocalories of energy. That time whenever taking food na and whatever kilocalories food taking means your body will get the water content and do energy also. And main here energy conversion factors. Energy conversion factors means how convert into the energy to the entering to the body. Main here 1 kilo calories. Whenever you taking up the 1 calories of food, that time have the 4.184 joules. Joules means unit of energy. Means equal unit of energy. How much you take up calories food, that time that much unit of energy will get. Joules means unit of energy. Here, any person taking up the 1 calorie of means that time they will get to the 4.184 joules. That joules also will give more energy to the body. And 1 calorie also 1000 calories. Whenever you taking 1 calorie food, the 1 calories like that time you will get the body, your body will get the joules 4.184, and 1 calorie taking it, that time also will get the 1000 calories. 1000 calories and 1 kilowatt hour means 1 kilowatt hour means in this then in that one have the kilocalories and calories also presenting into the 1 kilowatt hour. In main they have the body getting 3.60 into 10 6 of joules they getting to the body. Means this unit of more energy will get to the body. How means whenever taking up the calories, water content and kilowatt hour, this and all taking means automatic your body will get the more unit of energy, joules, calories, kilocalories also you will get to the body. That is the units of energy. Next to energy measurement. How do you can measurement to the energy? Here energy created the power to drive tools and machines to process materials into manufacture. Manufacture means producing of the products and to create structures. Whenever you taking food or anything, that time energy what doing, energy creating of the power. Power means like a more energy like means body energy like power to drive tools and machines to process materials into manufactures products and to create structure. Whenever taking up the any food, that time energy creating of the power and you can drive to the tools like a tools and machines like a manufacture of the materials to create the structure. See, in case I'm taking up the food, I mean good nutrition food, that time what happened? Food entering to the my body, total drive process, tool process and material process and power also will give the food of power also will give to the body and I will create to the good structure to the my body. Like this also main energy creating power giving to the bodies and preparing to the all materials and creating and producing of the like a good structure to the body. Like this energy will give to the particular body. And energy is equal to power into time. Power into time is when a particular time, whenever taking up energy food, that time your body will get the power in the particular time. And where power is equal to the product of voltage and current. So where power is equal means wherever power is there equal means example current. Power is there means equal to they produce the power, voltage and current. Voltage means na voltage power.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See here power whenever switch on the light, that time power automatic on. Then that power have the light on the voltage and current. Because of why means the total voltage storing in the particular light. That's why whenever switch on the light, that voltage releasing and giving to the more climate to in the particular room. Here also same like that also energy whenever taking up good foods, that time the food giving to the power and voltage and current to the body. That time your body will maintain to the good structurally and energetically you can do the any work. Here energy is equal to V into L into T means VLT means voltage. Energy like a voltage means in case I am like example light. light in that light in here food. Whenever switch on the light, that time that light will give the climate total full environment give to the room. Here food whenever taking means the voltage giving. Food voltage means food energy will give to the body. Like this example, power to and voltage and current. This is a energy measurement. Next to body mass index. Body mass index means it is a main value derived from the mass and height of a person. You can take up, you can check to the height of a person and how much height, how much weight person, like a calculate of the height and weight. That is a BMI, and the BMI is defined as the body mass divided by the square of the body height. See, this main BMI what defining, body mass divided by the square of the body height means body weight and body height. You can divide and you can calculate of the how much body weight, how much height. This two calculating means how much percent you will get. Like that you can defining in the BMI. Now weight by height square. Weight by height square into 100.
Weight in kg by height in meter square.
Yeah, weight in, we are checking weight in kgs. Height we are checking meters, like centimeters into 100. Calculating means that how much related height weight they will get to the percentage, and that calculation you can do. That is a BMI. And is express the units of kg and means weight, kg and meters. Means whenever height to weight to divide in squaring means that time showing up the expressing in units of how much kgs and how much centimeters the particular person. Easily you can calculate in the BMI. May resulting from mass in kilograms and height in meters. Result, what result will come from, how to come the result means from to the mass in kilogram. Mass like a some whoever heavy person, that weight like a mass also called as like a weight. Mass in we will check in the kilograms and height in we will check to the meters. This is a BMI. BMI only you can calculate of the height and weight kgs and by height square into 100. Like that calculate means result will come. How the percent of energy, like I mean how much percent of the related BMI formula. Next one, that is only height and weight we will calculate. Here basal metabolic rate means BMR. Here basal metabolic rate is the number of calories required to keep your body functioning at a rest. Basal metabolic rate, what main function is the number of calories. Whatever you taking food, in that food have the calories and whatever. That time what happened, the calories required to keep your body function at rest. In case you taking food means what happened, example, afternoon and night time you taking good energy food means that food have the calories. Once calories entering to the body function normal and immediately you can take to the rest. Because of why means that much calories giving to the body functioning unnormal, that immediately will get the sleep also. That's why here also basal metabolic rate mean giving up the number of calories giving to keep your body function and like a rest. Like that will get to the good functioning in the body. And BMR is also known as your body metabolism, because of body metabolism is total body functioning like a rest also. That's why BMR also called as known as body's metabolism. And therefore any increase to your metabolic weight, once increasing of your metabolic weight and such as exercises will increase your BMR. Once increasing metabolic weight means in function, whenever taking food, more food, that time calories entering to the body, full calories. That time what happened, your body will get to the more weight. And such as the exercise will increase of your BMR. Once you are doing of the exercises, that time automatic BMR rate will increase. Increase means they get to the calories more into the body and body function also increase. That time your body very healthy. That's why exercise is also very important related weight. In case some people very obesity people, that way obesity people continually eating and sleeping means what happen, again they will increasing of the weight. That's why whoever the metabolic weight, that time you can do the exercises, automatic will increase the your BMR. Just only BMR rate increase and weight will decrease. And to get your BMR, simply input your height, gender, age and weight below. BMR only related, simply input your height, related age, related means gender and weight below. See, in case some people's very height people's but very weak means no weight. In case very weight people's very short and particular males or females and particular age. Example, your age is 17 or 18, but you are looking like a 20 above 23 because of that calories that much BMR have in the good functioning in the your body. That's why we can't identify the particular age also. That's why here also weight below, some people's weight very below weight means they're less of the weight and very height of the person, whoever male or female or particular age. That's why basal metabolic rate mean giving up the more calories and good functioning to the body. Next, BMI main formula already I told now. Body mass index is a simple calculation using a person's height and weight. Only BMI formula simply calculation using like a formula person's height and weight. The formula is a BMI kg and kg means weight in kg and height means height meter square. What?
Kg 100 meters per minute.
I'm not clear. Your voice not coming. See, formula weight in kg by height meter square into 100. But that relates to only this formula. Same only. Yes, this is a point wise. And this formula BMI like a kg is for weight and meter square like a height. This where kg is the person weight in the kilograms and meter square is the height in meters. Whoever have the kilogram, the people vary the weight and meter square will check to in the height. That's squared. Total you can use of this square in the height only. Because of y means height square means some people's very height of the height related also weight have means automatic that people structure body structure very good. Some people's very height means no weight, that is very weak, very malnourishment like that looking like it. That's why in BMI you can just formula you can identify the how much related weight, how much height is the into 100 you can calculate to the particular person. Here example you see a BMI of 25.0 or more is a overweight. Once 20.5 is there means that is a normal like it. Once more is the overweight means while the healthy range is a 18.5 to 24.9. Only the healthy range. Because why healthy range means because here people's weight normal means the people's healthy also normal. Once more weight means the people's like obesity. That people's will get the health problem. Main health range normal is a 18.5 to 24.9. Once above 25 affecting means this BMI rate means automatic the patients will get some health problem. That's why that related weight and height they also will maintaining of the health. This is a BMI formula. Anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, BMI formula, please.
Huh?
BMI formula, repeat, ma'am.
BMI weight in kg by height in meters.
Weight in kg by height meter square into that is a form into 100. Why 100 means that 100 to you can calculate to the weight and height. That time you can get to the healthy range. The two formulating into 100 calculation is automatically get the health range level.
Ma'am, into 100.
Yeah, into 100. Then how you can calculate? In case no 100 means height, but how you can calculate? In that main formula is a weight in kg by height meter square into 100. That 100 you can use of the related height weight. You can get to the healthy range to the result. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, next. Factors affecting BMR. Factors affecting BMR means basal metabolic rate. How they will affecting of the factors related BMR. Here 3 headings is there. Surface area, sex, age. This mean how they'll affecting of the particular peoples, particular age peoples, particular sex peoples. I mean sex means like a men or female. Here main surface area, particular area. BMR is directly proportional to surface area. Means surface area means body. This BMR mean directly proportional means directly affecting to the surface area. And surface area is related to weight and height. Wherever BMR entering to the body particular area, that area is related to the weight and height also present in the particular area. Why height and weight in the surface area means because of BMR based metabolic rate, the total how much weight peoples, how much height people they will getting of the how much health range total you can observe in the surface area. See your BMR here. I don't know when how much calories receiving of the body will get the good functioning and the like taking of the rest. Here also the particular surface area.
In our resting condition, ma'am. Resting condition BMR is calculated.
Resting condition, no height and weight don't calculate in the BMR, only BMI. In BMR means whenever taking food, the calories entering to the body, that time body functioning growing and also will take the rest. That time height and weight normal only. You can't get the any health problem.
Okay, ma'am.
See, whenever BMR rate normal have the in the body means that is good functioning, good functioning to the all body parts. Okay, na? Again, anybody have doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And that here BMR means surface is a particular area means particular body. Will BMR directly affecting to the surface area. That surface area is related to weight and height. That's whenever taking up the food relate height and weight you can take, automatic BMR will get to the body. That time body function normal and that time you will take up the rest means whenever you have the obesity people, that time you can do the exercises. Exercise doing means automatic will get to the normal BMR to the and normal functioning to the body. Here main sex. Sex means men have higher about 5% of BMR than women. Men have to the higher. Higher means better than women's means better than means than women 5% more have the BMR to the body to the males. Because of why mean the male have the more energetic to the body. They will take up the good nutrition. Women also will take up the good nutrition, but more energy calories having to the BMR rate more having the only men's. Than women only 5% only have to the per men's. And due to the higher proportion of lean muscle mass in men, that people have the men's have to the lean muscle mass in men. Lean muscle means wait, I will show you picture. Oh, time finish. Okay, this topic tomorrow I will take. Okay, na?
Okay,
Ma'am, lean means weak.
Weak and less weight, ma.
Like Pintu.
Hey.
Chukar.
You speak about study only. This is recording and we will keep in YouTube. Okay, don't speak anything. Here recording going. About study only can ask any questions.
Yeah, ma'am, I saw.
Ma'am.
Tell me, Anupam.
Yeah, what is the BMR formula, ma'am? kg by meter is
BMR formula.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not sending up before that one. Okay.
kg by meter square into 100.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, you take nutrition class, but 6 or 7 students already joined at